fucking big gun.
You're gonna get shot back.
Probably.
It's jammed actually. Still didn't even hit the bottle.
I'm not aiming at the bottle.
Keep it on your shoulder when you cock it.
Pretty sure it's not.
There's one more, I think.
I think that was 5.
Can we shoot the bottle?
No, it's my bottle. Unless you got another full bottle.
Yeah, that was 5, Chris.